Alright you guys, this is Niffy from Trailbound Outdoors, and today I'm going to go over a couple of knots that I've learned. A lot more knots to learn, but these are some of the ones that I have, I guess, mastered right off the jump. Some of them can be used for certain things, but these are the ones that I've been able to learn and master. So we're gonna start this one off with the double overhand. It's the double overhand knot right here. As you can see, fairly simple knot. This next one here is the Bowline knot. It's the loop that doesn't come out. I just tied it off so we can do this video. And then we got the Alpine Butterfly loop. I thought that was a pretty decent one. Pretty decent right here. And then we got the Canadian Jam knot alongside the Fisherman's knot. We got the Canadian Jam with the Fisherman's knot for barrel, tarp, anything like that. But yeah, these are the 4 that I've learned so far. Still doing a lot more practicing. Got a lot of rope here. So I did a community post so that way everybody can stay updated. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys like videos like these, give me a thumbs up, subscribe.